Hello, my name is Chen. I'm a member of TeamPCC, and the rest of the team members are JQ and Vinod. In this presentation, I'm going to give an update on our progress for My Health Records application that we've been working on in this course. In this presentation, I'll give a quick recap of our project and its overall goal for the rest of the semester, and I'll go over the current status and show you some small demo with what we have so far, and I'll discuss about the deployment plan and updated project plan. This is a quick recap of our project. My Health Records is an open source application that anybody who has a smartphone could use easily and still keep track of all the doctors they need and all their illnesses in one place. We intend to allow these views to be shared easily with family members or with care providers. Here are a few key features of our app. We enable you to connect to multiple providers and aggregate all data together as one dataset. We merge data locally to show consolidated health views. We help you to easily share these views with your loved ones and care providers. So initially, our plan was not concrete enough. We just wanted to build a simple app, so we went through some rounds of the discovery of the best form factor and picked the smartphone as the best choice in this day and age. Then we decided to use Android since we are all mostly familiar with the platform. Once we made those choices, we went ahead and built a connection to multiple providers and summary views of the downloaded data. The key features I mentioned in the previous slides are mostly done in backend. We still have some UI work to finish so we can show data in user-friendly looking. Now I'm going to demo our application. This is the flow of adding a data provider. The first screenshot is showing the main page with empty since no data provider has been added yet. When I hit Edit button next to your data providers, it will go to page shown in the second screenshot. Since we haven't added any data provider, let's try to add one. The third screenshot shows the page where we can add the data provider. In order to add a data provider, you must give the data provider URL and log in as a patient. Here, for demo purpose, we'll search for patient by name using the data provider. Let's try to search Marla Dixon. That is done in the last screenshot in this slide. After we added a data provider, if we hit back, we can see the edit data provider with patient ID. If you hit back again, the app will start gathering the data from the server as shown in the second screenshot. Once it gathers all data, the summary will appear in the main page as you can see in the third screenshot. The summary shows the latest data as overview. As you can see in the third and fourth screenshots, now patient can see the summary of vital signs, conditions, and visits. If patient wants to see the detail about each data, they can select the View All in each section. For example, if patient selects View All for vital sign, they can see all vital sign data as shown in the first screenshot. To get individual examination, the patient can select one of them to see the history of each examination. Let's try to see the history of Marla's heart rate history. As we can see in the second screenshot, Marla has been examined for heart rate 3 times in the past. The steps are same for my conditions and my visits as shown in the third and fourth screenshots. As we can see, Marla has been or had 4 different conditions and 3 visits at Georgia Tech in the past. To add more data provider, which is one of our key features, we can go back to the data provider page and search and add more. For demo purpose, let's assume that Marla Dixon and Rudolph Bohr are the same patient. Let's try to search for Rudolph Bohr from another data provider called Health Intersections. As shown in the second screenshot, now we have 2 data providers for the patient with different colors. Here the color indicates which data provider the current data is gathered from. After the app is resynced, main page now shows more data from those we added. We can see some data with different colors this time, since those data is from Health Intersections. So these are the remaining work. As I already mentioned in the previous slide, we need to work on an overall UI. Additionally, we need to work on a feature that allows patients to send data as message to contexts that they can add in the app. This is our deployment plan. We'll finish up the README documentation, and we'll connect documentation to the GitHub page-based website, and we'll release it to the public GitHub. This is an updated project plan. As you can see, we've finished the steps to get file data from more than 2 servers and storing them locally. As I've been discussing, we still have some work pending on the UI side for meaningful views, Also, we need to complete the method to allow patients to share data with their caretakers and family members. Once we are done with this week, we'll start testing and documenting the app so we can prepare for the final presentation. Thank you for listening to our presentation.